I'm an excavator. Excavator.
Happy birthday, Peace! We love you!
We love you. Mahal na mahal ka ng nanay at tatay mo. At sa paglaki mo, sana maging maayos ka at gagabayan ka ng Panginoon. At syempre, nandito si nanay at tatay, mahal na mahal ka.
And lahat ng milestones na nahihit mo, we're so proud of you and we pray that you keep it up. And always, always, always pray to God.
Mahal na mahal ka namin ni nanay at
Tatay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Peace!
I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm an earth separator. I'm an excavator. I've got a big old bucket and I scoop all the time, digging holes in the ground. Investigator, I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I don't have feet? No feet? How do you get around? I roll on tracks to get to where I need to be. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt! See you later. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Excavator.